Thing number 10. There is no after. I wish I knew that waiting for the world to go back to normal was killing me. I preserved food for the recovery. There is no recovery. This is the new baseline. Accept it. The temporary mindset made me lazy. I didn't plant a garden because the trucks will run soon. They didn't. If I had started planting on day 1, I wouldn't have starved on day 90. Be a producer, not a waiter. I wish I knew that skills outweigh gear. My expensive red dot sight broke. I didn't know how to use iron sights. I was useless. Gear is fragile, skills are weightless. Learn to weld, sew, and garden. Scavenging is finite. The cans run out. I realized too late that I needed to be a creator. Making charcoal, making soap, making arrows. The scavenger dies. The maker survives. Transition early. I underestimated seed saving. I planted hybrid seeds. They didn't reproduce. I had a great harvest once, then famine. You need heirloom seeds. Understanding genetics is more important than understanding ballistics. I wish I knew that books are kings. When the internet died, I lost all human knowledge. I would trade a crate of ammo for a book on primitive dentistry. Build a physical library now. Wikipedia won't be there. The rule of law is gone. I kept waiting for police. Then I realized I was the police, and the judge, and the executioner. That moral weight is heavy. You have to build a new code of ethics from scratch. Reproduction is a terrifying thought. Bringing a child into this world, but without it, we are just the last generation waiting to die. I wish I had thought about the legacy, not just the survival. I learned that boredom is the final boss. Surviving is boring. It's chopping wood and carrying water. If you need entertainment, you will go crazy. Find joy in the labor. Zen and the art of trench digging. I wish I knew that hope is a biological necessity. Not false hope, but purpose. I needed a reason to wake up. Repairing the radio became my religion. Find a mission, or the void takes you. Let's recap. 1. Don't freeze. 2. The store is a trap. 3. Water lies. 4. Fire fails. 5. The ground bites. These are the physical lessons. If you ignore them, nature composts you. 6. The body rots. 7. The mind breaks. 8. Neighbors are enemies. 9. Security is silence. These are the silent killers, the ones that get you when you think you're safe. And 10. There is no after. This is the hardest one. You have to grieve your old life. Cry for the AC, the internet, the safety, then bury it. You are a pioneer of the ash world now. I wish I knew these things. I wouldn't have lost my toes. I wouldn't have lost my brother. I wouldn't have lost my mind. Knowledge is the only thing that doesn't weigh anything in your pack. Don't be a Girado. Don't buy cool knives and skip the cardio. Don't buy a bunker and skip the community building. You can't buy survival. You have to become it. If you are watching this, you still have time. The lights are still on. The water is still running. You are living in the before. Do not waste it. Fill your bottles. Fix your teeth. Learn a knot. Take a hard look at your life. What are you dependent on? If it disappears tomorrow, do you die? If the answer is yes, you have work to do. Self-reliance is the only freedom left. This list isn't to scare you, it's to wake you up. The alarm is ringing. Stop hitting snooze. The nightmare is coming, and it doesn't care if you are ready. Be the person others rally around. Be the calm in the chaos. Be the one who knows how to filter the water. Leadership is the ultimate survival trait. I'm done screaming at you now. The rest is up to you. Go check your supplies. Go check your plan. And for God's sake, go check your feet. If this helped you, subscribe. We build the manual for the end of the world, one video at a time. Join the tribe. We are the ones who will write the history books. Remember, luck is just preparation, meeting opportunity. I ran out of luck. Make sure you don't run out of preparation. This is Sketchy Clips. I'm going to go boil some water. You should too. Stay sharp. Stay alive. Sound of wind howling. Screen fades to black.